Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 17 Pro leaks, and trust me, this isn't just another yearly upgrade. The leaks we've seen so far point to major changes that could shape not only Apple's future, but the entire smartphone industry. We're talking about a brand new A19 chip, a powerful periscope zoom lens, AI-powered features, and even an overhauled design that uses titanium. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's explore what the iPhone 17 Pro might be and what it means for the future of smartphones. Battery life. Even with fast processors and smart software, we still struggle to get a full day of battery life with heavy use. We're streaming, gaming, scrolling, and by 3 p.m., many phones are gasping for juice. Camera limitation. Yes, cameras have gotten better, but zoom is still weak, and night photography often looks fake or noisy. Computational photography has helped, but there's a clear ceiling. Durability. Modern phones are beautiful, but fragile. One bad drop, and it's cracked glass city. Even with Gorilla Glass and ceramic coatings, phones haven't caught up to real-world use. According to leaks from reliable sources, Apple's next-generation A19 chip will be built on a more advanced 2nm process. Translation? More speed, less battery drain. Expect smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and better gaming. AI performance is also expected to be off the charts. Most importantly, improved power management, which means significantly better battery life. One of the most exciting features is the rumored periscope zoom lens. Apple's been lagging behind Samsung in long-range photography, but that's about to change. Expected 5x to 10x optical zoom. Better portrait shots, wildlife photography, and detailed distance capture, all without distortion or loss of clarity. The iPhone 17 Pro might ditch stainless steel and switch to titanium, making the phone lighter, stronger, and more resistant to bending and damage. Sleeker design, less prone to scratches. Also rumored, smaller notch or dynamic island improvements, possibly even under-display Face ID. There are also whispers of a new display panel, possibly micro LED or improved LTPO OLED. Higher brightness for outdoor visibility. More accurate colors and better refresh rate control for smoother animations and scrolling. Lower power consumption, again helping with battery life. This might be the sleeper hit of the iPhone 17 Pro, AI at the system level. Smarter Siri with contextual responses. Real-time photo editing. Predictive actions based on user habits. Enhanced language translation and accessibility tools. The iPhone 17 Pro isn't just about flashy features. It's about where smartphones are heading. With on-device AI, phones will become deeply personalized, learning your routine, helping you stay organized, and even protecting your digital identity through smarter privacy tools. Improved displays, cameras, and chips equals a phone that's AR-ready. Apple's already investing in AR with Vision Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro could be the mobile companion for those immersive experiences. With zoom upgrades, better processing, and AI tools, creators won't need a camera bag anymore. Your iPhone will be your 4K camera, your editor, and your upload tool, all in one. Titanium means less damage, fewer repairs, and longer use cycles. As sustainability becomes more important, durable phones will be the selling point. So, here's my honest take. I think the iPhone 17 Pro is going to surprise people. Apple's been saving up real innovation, and this might be the year they let it loose. But I want to hear from you. What do you think about these leaks? Are you hyped about the periscope lens? Will the A19 chip finally fix battery issues? Or are you waiting to see what Samsung or Google does in response? If you enjoyed this deep dive, Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. I've got more videos coming on the Vision Pro, AI-powered apps, and the next-gen iPads too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.